Sometimes it is difficult to say what we need to. We can experience a ghost mind, where we will not know what to say. Even some simple things can be a thread in our conversation.
You are going to see it here. 1. A grammar rule. 2. A text. 3. A question. 4. To check this, click on the bell icon and subscribe yourself to receive the other videos. Check it out. Now, let's dive in.
Past simple.
This appears in this text, and it can affect your understanding. Do you want to know an easy way to talk and write this? Canada Smart Mind is a Canadian school to help you to solve your questions. You can help us by sending this video to your friends. In the description, you have a link to reach us. You have links for Canadian companies searching for employees outside of Canada. Now, this is what grammar has to say.
We use the past simple to talk about actions and states which we see as completed in the past. We can use it to talk about a specific point in time. She came back last Friday. I saw her in the street. They didn't agree to the deal. It can also be used to talk about a period of time. She lived in Tokyo for 7 years. They were in London from Monday to Thursday of last week. When I was living in New York, I went to all the art exhibitions I could. You will often find the past simple used with time expressions such as these: yesterday, 3 weeks ago, last year, in 2002, from March to June, for a long time, for 6 weeks, in the 1980s, in the last century.
Now, check the text ahead and improve your pronunciation.
American Space Agency NASA says it has expanded its Mars helicopter mission after the experimental aircraft successfully completed several test flights. The helicopter, named Ingenuity, made history last month by becoming the first aircraft to perform a powered, controlled flight on another planet. Mission controllers say the helicopter has performed above expectations in all 4 of its test flights so far. While many test flights were carried out on Earth, Ingenuity was launched to demonstrate that a small helicopter could actually fly on Mars. During its 4th flight on April 30th, NASA said Ingenuity reached a height of about 5 meters and beat the aircraft's speed and distance records from earlier flights. Now that the mission has successfully met its first goals, NASA says it expanded the project to an operational demonstration. This new part of the mission is expected to test Ingenuity's ability to explore different parts of the planet from the air. In its past flights, Ingenuity has been taking off and landing near NASA's Perseverance Explorer, or rover. The rover is on its own mission to search for signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. It was carrying Ingenuity when it landed at the planet's Jezero crater in February. NASA's first stated goals with Ingenuity were to complete a series of flights to see how high and how far the aircraft could progress in each test. The demonstration flights were expected to end in early May. In the new tests, controllers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California aim to have Ingenuity travel farther and operate more independently from Perseverance. Project manager Mimi Ong said in its fifth flight, which currently has no set date, Ingenuity will move to a new airfield as engineers attempt to press the helicopter beyond its design limits. The new tests should give NASA a more detailed picture of how Ingenuity's equipment operates in different conditions. The flights could also be the basis for designing future aircraft to perform search and collection missions on Mars or other planets. Ingenuity is also expected to carry out activities to support Perseverance's ongoing mission. NASA says the helicopter can fly over nearby areas to observe science targets or help map out travel paths for the rover. Ingenuity can also capture images to be used for future Mars mapping operations. Such flights by Ingenuity, while not planned in the beginning, are now a bonus and not a requirement for Perseverance to complete its science mission, a NASA statement said. The space agency plans at least 3 operational test flights in May, and the helicopter mission could go even longer if all goes well. Ingenuity loves Mars, Ong recently told reporters about the helicopter's mission. It takes off and I almost feel the freedom that it feels, she said. NASA officials say that even though Ingenuity was designed to operate on Mars for 30 days, it can probably survive the freezing Martian nights for at least another few months. The helicopter also has to work harder on Mars, where the atmosphere is much thinner. Engineers have said Ingenuity's blades have to spin 5 times faster than on Earth to successfully fly. We really do expect some finite life, Ong said, adding, so it will be a race between how long these parts surprise us in surviving. I'm Brian Lynn.
Now, take this question.
Question: which ones are past simple, and why? I saw him in the park last Thursday. He had written a letter to his mother 3 weeks ago. She has moved to another country. They were in Calgary last year. Answer: I saw him in the park last Thursday. Complete action with a specific time. He had written the letter to his mother 3 weeks ago. This is a past perfect. She has moved to another country. This is a present perfect. They were in Calgary last year. Complete action. To be. With a specific time.
Which one do you believe is right, and why? Tell us in the comments. Pretty soon, you will see what we have to say. Leave your comments about this video. This way we could know what you like, and what we can do better to help you. I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.